This is a tangible to-do list. In this video, I will share with you what is a tangible to-do list and why is it so incredibly effective as the physical fix for task overload. A tangible to-do list is your go-to productivity system to see everything at once, focus on exactly what is next, and clear work off your plate. I'm Brandy Agerbeck of loosetooth.com, and I created the tangible to-do list years ago. The earliest photo in my files is 2010. It's now 2025, so at least 15 years of using this system that I needed to create to be able to wrangle and coordinate concurrent projects as a single business person getting my work out into the world. And this tool is so special that it got a shout out in my 2013 TEDx talk, Shape Your Thinking. So now I'd love to tell you the 4 parts of the tangible to-do list and exactly why they work so well together. The core principle behind this system is to gather all of the tasks across all of your projects in every area of your life, to gather them all together, dump them out of your head, pull them out of your planners, take them off of your lists, and give every single task its own sticky note. With this, we're taking all of our productivity, all of those tasks, and making them modular and granular and tangible. Next, we truly organize these tasks, these projects with this shape, with this system. Here is the first area of the tangible to-do list, and simply, it's everything that needs to be done. And it's clearly organized by project and by priority. Up at the top is very simply a key of all our projects by their color coding, and we can see how many concurrent things we have going on in our life at any given time. This row is when you focus on exactly what's next. This is your runway. You get crystal clear on your current priorities and create an efficient sequence for exactly what you need to tackle next. And as you complete your task, you add them to your win column. And now let me get even more specific about the benefits of the tangible to-do list. These 12 loops represent the concrete specific benefits of the tangible to-do list. Your first 3 benefits come from the act of getting everything out, taking all those tasks you're carrying in your head, pulling different tasks and projects from planners, from calendars, from all different sources, and getting them into one single system. Our first benefit, my number 1 most favorite benefit, is reducing overwhelm. You're no longer carrying all these things inside of you or trying to coordinate information across a bunch of different sources. It's all here. And you can feel that relief as you write out every single sticky and get them collected into your tangible to-do list, which leads to more clarity. Everything integrated into one tangible to-do list lets you make new connections and see patterns. It can be absolutely validating. No wonder I feel so overwhelmed. I'm juggling all these different projects at once, and now I can see how they all fit together. Next, 2 benefits when we get crystal clear on our runway. The first is efficiency. When you're able to batch similar projects together, different tasks, different locations, then we can reduce our amount of task switching and context switching so we can get far more effective and efficient in our work. This runway is a limited amount of space, which forces us in the best way to get crystal clear on exactly what needs to happen next. This helps us do work that stays in integrity with our top priorities and fits with our big picture of how all our different projects fit together. This is the very best spot in the tangible to-do list. Once I get everything out, my runway is clear, my productivity is frictionless. I know exactly what I need to do next, which is very simply grab the very next sticky note and get this task done. This leads to two important benefits. First is a sense of agency. I've got the very next task in my hand. I know exactly what to do. It is tangible, it is doable, and I am ready to do it and get it done. The second benefit is such a precious commodity these days. It is our attention, and it is that increased focus. I keep this task in my eye line until this task is done. I know precisely what I need to do right now and nothing else. Everything else can live in the tangible to-do list, so I can focus on exactly what I need to do right now. I cross out my completed task and I add it to my win column. Three benefits here, super clear. The first is, as these finished tasks pile up and accumulate, undeniable progress. You can see your progress right here. Second is that sense of momentum. Got this one done. All I need to do, grab the very next sticky note and go. And as we continue to accumulate these completed tasks, there's that beautiful sense of motivation. Let's keep going. I've got my momentum. I'm just going to keep working through my runway until it's clear. And here in the center are my two favorite benefits. And that is that the tangible to-do list is flexible and forgiving. As happy as I am to teach you my proven system I've used over 15 years to give you clear step-by-step instructions, I'm more excited for you to make the tangible to-do list your own, to adapt it to your exact needs. It will work whether you've got 10 different projects or 3. It'll work whether you're using it just to get through the next week or you use it on an ongoing basis. An incredibly adaptive system. And what's most important is it is forgiving. And you might think, why do I need a forgiving system? Because I know my people and how hard we are on ourselves. I know how loud the inner critic can be when you're trying to juggle all these different projects, when you're struggling with focus, when you're just thinking, why does this seem so easy for everybody else when it's so difficult for me? The beauty of the tangible to-do list is that flexibility, is the adaptability, and that it is oh so forgiving. With this, you don't have to force your life, your projects, your work into the boxes on a calendar or into somebody else's rules. And you certainly don't have to force it into the interface of an app that lives on your distraction device. With incredibly simple materials and a fast and easy setup, I've got a system that not only makes my work easier, it helps me be easier on myself. If I forget a task, once I remember it, just put it on a new sticky note and get it on the list. Or let's say I don't have enough detail here, I can just grab some more sticky notes and get into very specific details and get those detailed tasks lined up, ready to go on my runway. And if it turns out I don't need the tangible to-do list right now, great. I'll take it down and put it away, and I'll know I can set up a new one anytime I need it. And I'm so happy that it will be there for you too. Are you ready to create your very first tangible to-do list, the first of many? I'm eager to teach you my system. Look for a link below to hop on over to the registration page and get started today.